Hello guys, thank you so much. Thank you for viewing my videos. Thank you for taking time and come to my channel. You ask questions sometimes. I'm sorry I take long to reply, but if I get time, I reply in time. So thank you so much guys. I can't thank you for granted and I cannot thank you enough. The reason why I'm here today, I've been getting questions from the starters. I call them starters, those who have just got their machines. I know what it means. I know getting a machine, you know what to do, it's your first time. I was there, I know what it means. So today I decided to come, since there have been so many, I decided to come and reply to them. The things we must know when we first get our machine is that machine has residue water. You might not see that water, but it's always there. It's always there, that water down there. You must not notice, but that water residue, that water is used by the manufacturers to test whether the machine works or not. So it is always, it's a must. If the machine is new, that water is always there. So there are a few steps, very simple, on how to do it. The first step is opening your tap. Everyone of us knows the water tap. I'm not going to show it to you, but I hope everyone knows. Mine is behind in the bathroom, so we are not going to go there. The second is you close your door. Make sure it's closed fully. After closing our door, the third step is we are going to get our soap or detergent. We put it in this chamber. This is pre. This is the main wash, this is pre-wash, then this is for detergent. So here, this one that has these two things, or two alloys, this is the main wash. It's where we are going to put our soap. Then we close our detergent dispenser. The fourth and the last step is, by the help of the shortest program. If I say the shortest program, on my washing machine, the shortest is Quick 15. It's here. Here. Okay, if I want, I can add 5 to make 20. We have our tap is open there. We have put our detergent. Our door is closed. So we are going to be as if we are washing, but remember there are no clothes. So we are just cleaning. In actual sense, we are cleaning the machine, because we have put the new detergent, everything is new. So in actual sense, we are cleaning. So by the help, we have already set our time. It's just click start. You see, it has started. It's going to wash. That water is getting out. If you hear that sound, water is getting out there. It's going to come here and pick our soap. Unfortunately, I haven't put mine, is not new. So it is very simple. Clean it in that way. Open your tap, put soap, close the door. Then if we had soap here, it was going to go, but we are meant to put it here. If your first time, it's meant to be here. So that is all. Very simple. Let me hope this video is going to be useful to you guys. Thank you so much. See you next. Bye bye.